So you want to launch a strategic website that sells your services. Stick around, I'm going to tell you the number one question that you need to answer first and foremost before you even think about which platform to use, hiring a website designer, or even getting started. So if you don't know me, my name is Em Winch. I am the creator of Morris Bear Designs and the Elevate Formula, a 3-step system to launch a strategic website that sells your services on autopilot. I have been building websites for female entrepreneurs for over 10 years now, and this is some of the greatest work that I've put my heart and soul into. So basically what we do when we go through all of these things is we start to question what we actually need on our website, right? So whether you've signed up for Squarespace and joined their free trial, or you have installed WordPress and you're getting started there, the big thing is that when you open up that window, you're actually looking at a blank screen. So what do you actually start with? Where do you begin with all of that stuff? This is one of the biggest frustrations that I see with my one-on-one clients. Bye, Charlie. That's the cat, Charlie, leaving. So one of the biggest frustrations is actually what to put on your page. And it starts with this one simple question. What do you want your user to do? Seems simple in theory, right? But that can be a multitude of things. This can be getting people to sign up for a call, people to show up on your email list, to download your thing, to join your funnel, all of the millions of things, right? So we need to be specific on each page what that one goal is. There is an exception to this rule, which I'll talk about in a minute. But the first thing is actually pinpointing on each page what is the one thing that you need your client to do on that specific page. So if it's your about page, they might be looking for more information about who you are. So this could be driving people from your about page to your work with me, your services page. And I'm going to do a couple of videos up here today which will show you through a few of these different bits and pieces. Because they all connect up. They really, really do. This is why I've created this formula, because it actually goes through step by step each of these processes. So if you are looking at what you need someone to do, what do you need to actually put onto that to drive people to that? That's where your calls to action actually step out and really sign up. So a call to action is basically a big, bold button and actually guiding someone into that next step. You're actually giving them an action to take. So the caveat that I was talking about is the homepage. Now, your homepage gets accessed on an entirely different way, okay? So when someone's searching for your name in particular, your homepage might come up. If there's really strong SEO on your homepage, you might come up for a local search. But what you need to do with your homepage is actually give your clients a sort of signpost and saying, okay, if you're at this point in the journey, this is what you need to do. If you're at this point in the journey, this is what you need to do. If you're at this point in the journey, this is what you need to do. And that's how you want to think about that homepage. But generally, every other page on your website has one function. So when you sit down, I want you to think about each of the pages individually and ask what that one function needs to be. But I also need you to think about what you need your website to do. What is the one action that your website needs to do? And if that is selling your services, there's a few things that I know about that. So I've put together this entire formula in an easy to download. It's a free download on my website at morrisbear.com/roadmap. And you can download that and see step by step all of the ingredients that you need to build a profitable website. So I'm not talking about putting up a website and then spending all of your time on social media because you are stuck and still not making any progress. I'm talking about a website that drives people to your offers and to booking in with you, actually paying for your services. So if you want to grab a hold of that, jump on over to morrisbear.com/roadmap and you can download the free guide there. Stick around and there will be a few more videos coming to you over the next few days, and you can really see what kind of impact this formula will make on your business. Have a great day and I will see you inside the roadmap.